परिचय बता दें।
Hi, my name is Dr. Sarthak Bakshi and I am the CEO of Lisa IVF, having 12 plus IVF centers across North India and Nepal. We are delighted to be here on World IVF and Embryologist Day. 25th July is known as the World IVF Day because this was on this day the first IVF baby was born in UK, Louis Brown, and it marked the evolution of how fertility can be made possible inside a lab. For thousands of years, everybody was procreating and reproducing naturally. But when millions of people were suffering and were not able to have a baby, and when scientists Patrick Steptoe and Robert Edwards were able to create IVF or discover IVF and make the process possible inside a lab. And after 9 months on 25th July when Louis Brown was born, so this was a historical day, not only for science, not only for fertility, but for all mankind. We all think that it's very easy to have a baby. Currently, I can tell you from my own practice and from the world data around that it's not easy anymore. The total fertility rate is declining in almost all developed countries, from US to Europe to Australia, and we are not replacing the population as much as the death numbers are increasing. So IVF is not only the need for infertile couple, but it's the need of the hour to keep on replacing the population level to a healthy extent so that we keep on having an equal balance with the amount of people lost with the amount of people being born. That is what total fertility rate decreases. I'm extremely happy to be here in IHW to present my views, and as a keynote speaker I'm here to just tell the world that how important in vitro fertilization has become. It's important because in our scenario today we see that everybody is delaying marriages. The biological clock is not in our hands. It's completely gone to a decline where urban population having one baby is also become really difficult. So to keep that in mind and to educate and make people aware, it's very important to keep having sessions and conferences like this to make people aware about what fertility holds. I always say that in colleges, instead of talking about sex education, let's talk about fertility education. It's not only important not to have babies, but it's more important to understand when is the right time to have a baby. So I'm here and I'm excited to be part of IHW to present my views, and I'm thankful to all the audience to listen to me, and very grateful. Thank you.